Let's be honest, running a smaller repair shop can feel like a constant uphill battle. Big chains have bigger budgets, more staff, and fancy systems. It's easy to feel outmatched. But here's the twist. AI is flipping the script. With the right tools, you don't need a huge team or massive marketing spend to compete. AI is the equalizer. Imagine this. Smart systems that handle your follow-ups, respond to customers instantly, track vehicle history, and even recommend new services based on past jobs. AI gives you insights the big players pay thousands for. But now, you can get them too. It's fast, affordable, and surprisingly easy to use. Need to know what your competitors are offering? AI can monitor that. Want to spot trends in your local area before anyone else does? AI's on it. The shops that embrace this tech, they're moving quicker, serving smarter, and spending less while doing it. And the ones who don't? They risk falling behind, fast. Because here's the truth. AI isn't going away. It's only getting better. And the earlier you plug in, the more of an edge you'll have. So, if you're a smaller shop looking to grow, stay lean and stay competitive. This is your moment. It's not about being the biggest anymore. It's about being the smartest.